Good morning, dear student of Standard 10. Previous day, yesterday, I told you something about the chapter 2 concerned to the history, chapter 2 related to the print culture and the modern world. Concerned to the descriptions given as chapter 2 indicate as about the 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 unit considered as about the matter relate to the emergence of the readership. Emergence of the readership come out over the Europe, especially through the women, children, workers, etc. in 19th century. With the help of the improvement of the children come out through the compulsory primary and elementary education which became passed over the Europe, and accordingly textbook related demand became flourished, and accordingly in 19th century compulsory primary and elementary education to the demand of the school textbook, the school textbook related to the press became flourished and published the textbook related requirement over the Europe during 19th century. Something about the development also take place related to the emergence of the readership of women. So, rich and prosperous women from the Europe who trying to overcome about the problems as about the exploitation and related facts, those will be also criticized by the women with the help of the women writers as well as the readership. Related to the women writers and the readership will be developed with the help of the press, and something about the change also take place in Europe as about the workers. So workers related to the development take place as about the leisure period of the workers when the different type of the public library will be emerged, and accordingly the emergence of the readership as women, children and workers became developed. New innovations over the period led to the 19th century of USA as David Bruce through the mechanized type of the casting as well as the Richard M. Howe from New York, who invented the power-driven cylindrical press, which helped to the capability of the printing 8,000 sheets per hour. As offset printing for the 6 color will be developed with the help of the different type of the new innovations, with the help of Richard M. Howe from the New York, and accordingly once time 8,000 sheets of the per hour copies as offset printing will be developed. As method of the paper feeding, photoelectric control for the color register and the automatic paper process, printing posters, advertisement, notice to the street wall, public building and the railway stations will be developed. So different type of the new innovations concerned to the Europe as well as the North America as USA, especially from the New York, which led to the new way of the development as about the offset printing over the world for the development of print culture as easy and efficient. Something about the change in 19th century from the Europe also come out with the help of the children's press will be set up in 1857 from France. Fairy tales, folk tales, and the penny magazines for women, novel by the novelists as Jane Austen, Mary Ann Evans, and the others. Architect and the workers of the middle class who also trying to overcome about the problem related to the text as written as about the reading materials with the help of the public libraries. Next to the something about the development also take place concerned to the printing technology came to India. In India here, the printing technology came by the Christian missionary from Goa on 16th century. Before manuscript from India as about the palm leaves to the Sanskrit, Arabic and the Persian and the Pali, likely to the Rig Veda as 1000 BC, developed with the help of the palm leaf as manuscripts. But printing technology came to India by Christian missionaries from Goa on 16th century C. In the Kerala, Tamil dictionary will be developed as Konkani, Kannada, also regional language related to the development of the printing take place in India by the Christian missionaries as about the 1674. Bombay, the British introduced about the 1674 as Madras 1772 and Bengal Gazette of Calcutta in 1779. Also weekly newspaper will be developed in 1779 to 1780. Something about the development also take place as religious reform and the public debates. Religious reform and public debates concerned to the India as Indian society here, orthodoxy became prevailed. So related to the removal of the orthodoxy related work also carried out by the religious and social reformers from India. Something about the Rasundri Devi, Kailash Basini Devi as a woman, Ramabai, and some about the social reformer like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and others who trying to overcome about the problem of Indian society with the help of the religious reforms, so that new religious customs, tradition, folk ways and rituals trying to abolish, and after that new system of the religious development take place in India. Accordingly, India and the world of the print will be developed the religious reform and public debate against to the rituals, customs like Sati Pratha, monotheism, and idolatry and the others. Raja Ram Mohan Roy trying to overcome about the Sati Pratha, equality before law, widow remarriage with the help of the Sambad Kaumudi who published by as a editor. Remarriage also, widow remarriage also developed. Something about the Muslim as Devbandh Seminary who also trying to develop in India, and accordingly the Devbandh Seminary led to the fatwa by Islamic scholars as Maulvis who trying to overcome about the problem of the Muslim community, especially as women as well as the marginalized. In 1867, Devbandh Seminary established and led to the improvement of vernacular press as Lucknow and Bombay from 1880. After that, new form of the publication also developed in India with the help of the novels, lyrics, short stories, essay, folk tales, popular ideas, and the tradition and the modernity of the religion, politics, society and culture will be developed in India. Something about the traditional culture and civilization of India became composite with the help of the foreigners as a colonial master who came to India, and comprises to the composite culture in India led to the different type of the development. Consideration of the language, consideration of the eating habits, wearing dresses, and something about the changes also take place. Some about the development also come out as a pioneer of the painting of South India by Raja Ravi Verma, who also developed the mythological and the religious themes for the development of Indian culture. Some about the descriptions also given as about the book as caricature and the cartoons also developed to copy about the Indian society as Hindus community related to the problems as well as the Muslim community and others. Something about the change also take place in India by the impact of the print culture or Indian society as about the culture through the social reform, upliftment of the marginalized and the women. Upliftment of marginalized and women also carried out by the social reformers from India and religious reformers also trying to overcome about the problems of the Indian religion and religious belief and the practices. Concerned to the change take place in India as about the print and the poor people became affected basically as about the social and economical order. Related to the social and economical order concerned to the matter became highlighted as about the something as change also take place in India with the help of the print and the poor people through the public library with the help of equality before law. Print and the censorship related to the developments also take place in India by Lord Wellesley, who passed 1799 as an act, and censorship will be passed as freedom of the press from India. But Vernacular Press Act will be passed by the colonial government in 1878 by Lord Lytton. Through the violent protest by the nationalists like the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who wrote Kesari, and accordingly nationalist sentiment will be emerged and flourished in India. Accordingly, different type of the problems will be arises with the help of the vernacular press from Lucknow and the Bombay as well as the Madras, who led to the development of the forwarded mainstream from the Indian society with the help of the nationalist view as about the reformation of the Indian society through the social, economical and cultural equality. Some about the criticism take place by the vernacular press. Vernacular Act will be passed by the British government against to the act of the vernacular press if any vernacular press became found guilty, then those suppressed by the government and seized the power of the press freedom. So that violent protest take place over the nation and Bal Gangadhar Tilak opposed something about the matter concerned to the nationalist sentiment with the help of the Kesari. Some about the words are also essential to understand about the student of Standard 10 chapter 2, liked sedition as an action or the speech to opposing the government. Sedition described as action or the speech to oppose government. Despotism defined as centralized power is in individual. Centralized power is in individual. Fatwa, a large pronouncement based on the Islamic law, will be passed by the Devband Seminary. Ballads, a historical account, usually sung or the recited as public gathering. Ulema, a legal scholar of Islam, and vellum, a parchment made from the skin of the animals. So, related to the chapter, it is indication about the matter concerned to the emergence of the readership. It is clear that readership will be emerged as about the women, folk, children and the workers from Europe. New innovation take place especially in Europe as well as the New York from North America and something about the other parts of the world which led to the offset printing by the cylindrical mechanical devices. India and the world of the prints also related description given as chapter printing technology came to India. A related description also given as about the better understanding of the student. Religious reform and the public debate come out with the help of the printing culture and vernacular press will be settled in India in Lucknow and the Bombay during 19th century or 1880. Muslims Devband Seminary will be established as about the removal of the problem of the Muslim in 1867. New form of the publications, related work also carried out in India. Impact of the print culture on an Indian society and the culture, related descriptions also come out with the help of the print culture. Print and the poor people from India will be developed with the help of the print technology and culture in India during 19th century. Print and censorship will be passed by the Lord Wellesley, but Lord Lytton will be bonded it as Vernacular Press Act will be passed in 1878. So print culture trying to remove about the problem of Indian society as marginalized as well as the nationalist sentiment will be forwarded. Some about the question concerned to the topics like emergence of the readership in the Europe as especially women, children and workers, new innovation related to the work with their contribution, India and the world of the print related to the contribution, printing technology came to India, related steps and descriptions, religious reform and public debate of India concerned to the matter as about the development and control. Vernacular Press Act will be passed by the government, related reason, related objective and oppose why Indian opposed the Vernacular Press Act which passed by the government. Objective of Muslim Devband Seminary, new form of the publication, impact of print culture on Indian society and culture, print and the poor people from India during 19th century, print and censorship related to the importance and objective of Vernacular Press Act, and how print culture helped to remove the problem of Indian society as about the forwarded step of nationalism. Thank you.